Jai Shri Ram, Har Har Mahadev. Today I will talk about mishappening and some certain obstruction created by Chief Minister of Bengal during raid of Enforcement Directorate in Kolkata at the chairman of IPAC, Pratik Jain residence and his offices. I think the place of raid was around at 22 place. During raid, Chief Minister of Bengal, Srimati Mamata Banerjee, Sushri Mamata Banerjee ran to the raid site. She not only went there, she went there and entered the raid site forcefully with the help of Bengal police. And I think, if I am not wrong, the DGP of West Bengal was accompanying him and forcefully entered the premises where the ED was raiding. She not only entered, but she directly snatched few files from Enforcement Directorate officials. And later on, she did press conference on the road that ED was searching and seizing the documents related to her candidates and other party of activities. My question is, if ED was seizing the documents which was related to party activities, and IPAC is known to organize campaign for and plan campaign for any parties. That's a registered duty for IPAC. No issues. But what was to fear in that? Why Mamata Banerjee so ferociously acted on such incident? Not only this, reports are that she even called the enforcement directorate officials through Pratik Jain number, and Pratik Jain via Pratik Jain, that and threatened. Issue didn't stop here. When ED approached High Court, the competent High Court, situation was such volatile at the High Court that the judge of the High Court has to postpone the hearing. Unfortunately, the proceeding was postponed for at least 4 days, 5 days. Here question arises on two things. Is Chief Minister of West Bengal, Srimati Mamata Banerjee, not aware her constitutional duties, or she willfully violated the rules? Here it is three issues. Either there was some grave documents stored at Pratik Jain residence officers which could have created problem for Mamata Banerjee in future stage. Second, was it about some money being taken by candidates on the name of candidature? This is just presumption. I am saying that this is presumption, not an allegation. Third thing, is judge of High Court so incompetent that they could not clear the High Court premises, unnecessary crowd at the High Court premises? And think, if High Court cannot perform, then what is the situation of law and order in that particular state? Mind it, Mamata Banerjee is not only the Chief Minister, but she is Home Minister also of Bengal. Moreover, sometimes back, I don't know, still she is the Health Minister or not. Health Minister, Home Minister and Chief Minister. These are three portfolios being held by Mamata Banerjee for a long time. My only question to judiciary, since I don't have any hope from Mamata Banerjee, you are not so much capable that you cannot ask her to clear the area, or just call summon the DGP right there and ask him to clear the area. You are so much incompetent. Question will arise on you, because ultimately it's judiciary, and there is the final way to decide on via judiciary. And the judiciary which takes sumoto cognizance of every matter almost. which is of even sometimes which is of no use. Here, the government official performing his constitutional duty was debarred from performing his duty. The judge and the court premises was not allowed to function, and still the Chief Justice of Calcutta High Court is sleeping, sir. गवर्नर के बारे में क्या ही बोला जाए. Such is the condition. And think, if such is the situation with ED, then would be the situation with the common people? And this is not the first time she is doing. Hope you would have remembering just before 2019-18, when CBI was raiding Kolkata, few places of Sarda and Rose Valley scam. Mamata Banerjee ordered Bengal police to arrest CBI officials, and there was a showdown of power and authority in Kolkata between Home Minister of India, that by that time Rajnath Singh ji was the Home Minister, and Chief Minister of Bengal. Is Chief Minister of Bengal above Union Ministers, especially the Union Home Minister? And it is also that who is above or not, but the constitutional authority and the function awarded to execute their duties by the Constitution, no one can supersede that. Then why Mamata Banerjee is doing all this nonsense this time, or this she is doing this willfully, so that the government is forced to arrest her and she could play up the victim card? Hope you remember, during 2021 election, a ghost came, struck her vehicle, she got injured in her legs. During entire time of election, she was on wheelchair. The day result was declared, she started playing football. That was a condition, and still people of Bengal thinks that she is true. Whom to blame? Question marks lies. But still I say, I trust Amit Shah. I know Mamata Banerjee has given another rope to Amit Shah to pull the shot. Remember when Arvind Kejriwal in the jail and didn't resign, being in the jail and in the ED custody? What in the government of India did everyone knows. After that, a bill was enacted in the parliament that anyone who is behind the bar, including the Prime Minister of India, I hope it could have been implemented everyone. The constitutions have separate provisions for judiciary from High Court judges. They need protection, no doubt. That anyone who is behind the bar for 30 days, automatically on the 31st day, his reservation will be understood. And that was much necessary. So I expect that again the Union Home Minister will pull that shot. And that will be very much lethal. But again, in Bengal, Mamata Banerjee stops the central agencies to function. And in Delhi, her MPs create nonsense rukus at Home Minister residence. What is more hypocrisy is that Enforcement Director doesn't come under Home Ministry. It comes from the Ministry of Finance. And why is there such fear? Quite visible. नाम अमित शाह है, डर लगता है, सुन के आत्मा कांप जाती है. That's his aura. So I will say only thing that Mamata Banerjee, you have made a grave mistake. Politically, it might help you, but for not long time. And hope BJP encases this, which I don't feel, especially except 2 or 3 officials of the BJP. Hope again that 2026 we will get rid of a draconian rule in Bengal and end of Mamata Banerjee's misrule. because Bengal has suffered enough. 34 year of left and almost 15 years of Mamata Banerjee. Almost 50 years, half century of Bengal has been dark. And it's not that Congress was very much enlightened. Everyone knows what type of rule was Congress. Their Siddhant Sankara is very well known for that. Now time for people of Bengal has come that they should give an opportunity to BJP. Right now I will move on to Assam. Under Hemanta Biswa Sharma, Assam is doing tremendous job. Tremendous. Illegal encroachment is being cleared without any if and but. No mercy to the perpetrators. And that should be the approach of the government. Illegal intruders are being caught, detected, deleted, and deported. Some resistance has been faced, but government has made them with the iron fist, and that was the need of the hour. Though Congress has tried to create some disturbance and law order situation in Assam, but they have not succeeded. And well-known Paijan, whose wife was in Pakistan, don't know why always Congress finds love with the Pakistan. Congress leader has very deep love for the Pakistan, starting from Nehru to Rahul Gandhi. And you know what Nehru did for Pakistan and how much love how much love was in his for Pakistan. So you will have to think: do we really need Congress? And still, who are those who are voting Congress? For the sovereignty and integrity of the nation, victory in Assam is not an option. That is non-negotiable. BJP has to win because it is only BJP which is fighting against the anti-national forces. Rest all help must with them. Rest all. Moreover, one more incident I will talk about is the situation of doctor in Bihar. A lady doctor, Muslim lady doctor. A hue and cry was created on the social media as well as TV studio, and some were on the ground also by the so-called radical Islamists and supported by Congress and commies. And you know what happened? She silently accepted the job and joined the job. पेट पर जब लात पड़ती है ना तो सारी धर्मांधता निकल जाती है. Yes, I know. After joining, we will have to take notice of her because we have seen Delhi model. Alertness saves many lives. So hope we the Bihari are known for alertness and we will be alert. We won't allow any anti-national activities to succeed. I am not blaming her. I am not calling her. But the Delhi model has opened our eyes. The Delhi blast. So alertness is the key to safety. Jai Shri Ram, Mahadev.